Hello, you're on the Scenum channel. In this video, I will show you how to work with the service for automatic account farming, Scenum. And also this service provides several scripts for farming with the most different tasks. Also, you can integrate all your work with Scenum and your accounts into any anti-detect browser. Today, I will show you how to work with this service, how to set up accounts and farming, and how to connect a proxy for correct work. Go to Scenum.io. After registration and all the necessary steps, you will be redirected to the working space. I will show you on the example of my Facebook profile. For other networks and platforms, you can configure in the same way. Why do we need different scripts for different tasks? To warm up your account, to form the interest of your account and put likes under the necessary posts, for random posting on your wall, add friends, and to create and work with an advertising account. In general, everything that took a lot of time manually can be automated. And at the beginning, we need a cookie file from our Facebook account. Since I haven't set any profile yet, I will use my account on Facebook platform and set it up. And I will use prefarm script to upgrade the profile. Look, now the extension tab is empty. There are no extension or scripts created. I will return here later, and I will show you what is displayed here when I create the first script. Below is the script tab. Here we can create scripts for your profiles. Below the Actions tab. Here for your profile you can configure an actions. For example, in Facebook you can comment, invite friends, post to your page. In general, any actions with your profile is set here. Let me show you what we have here. For example, in posting. As you can see, I choose the platform, Facebook. Next, I choose action, posting. On the right, enter a name for the action. Below are all the posting settings. You can make posts on your page, in a group, or on the wall of your followers and friends. It depends what task you have. In the list of post field, you can list all the posts that needed to be published, or if you have them already created in the file, just upload them from your PC below. Also, you can select with removal from the list, so those posts that have already been published are removed from the list, and you won't be confused about what is already there and what has not yet been published. Below in the ID of the group field, you need to specify in which groups to post, if you have selected in groups. Well, you can also set it with a list if you have it created on your PC. It's quite easy, because you can automate this process and you do not need to set it manually one by one. Below you can also choose with removal from the list. Also you can choose the number of posts, the interval for posting and another things. I cannot advise you what to choose, because I think you know better how often and where to publish your posts. Below you can choose where to publish your posts. Post to your fan page, post to all your fan pages. Everything is clearly written here. And at the very end you can download a list of all the posts that you need to be published. Create a doc on your PC and download it. I saved it, but now in order to upgrade my account, I need to set cookies. In Action tab, I select Gen Cookies. Here I am interested in section Links to sites for entry. Below you need to make active service and check the change of IP. This is necessary in order to automatically change the IP address. The rest of the settings are up to you. Done. This step is over. Now go to the Scripts tab. Choose the Facebook platform. Service is offering me a 0 script. This is a script to upgrade the proxy, but if you know what exactly you need, you can add each step with settings separately by click Add Step. As you can see, a new line appears where you can select actions, and if you have already configured these actions in the Action section, then select them from the list. If you want to do it by yourself, you need to configure each action, and then just select them from the list. But for now I will delete this action and I will use ready-made script for boosting the profile that Scenum offers me. If you are a beginner, I also recommend you to do this. You can see all actions which have been created for this script. You can easily understand what these actions mean. Let's see how they are configured and what is specified in the parameters. For example, join group fan. You can see that the actions are set with keywords, object source, intervals. In general, the action is configured optimally. Now back to the script. We need to add another custom action with cookies. Click Add Step. Select Gen Cookie, and we lift it to the very top. Why is it necessary? Before starting the action and working with the profile, we update the mobile IP. Then your work will be anonymous and safe as possible. Now, save the script. What needs to be done next? You need to install the extension in the browser you will be using. It can be any anti-detect browser up to the Chrome browser. And now, using Chrome as an example, I will show you how to work with the extension. When you pass the registration, you will receive an email with a link to the archive with the Scenum extension. You need to load it into extension. To do this, in Chrome, go to Extensions, make the developer mode active, and download the Scenum extension. Done. The extension has been downloaded and installed. Now go to Extension and login. When this step will be done, you need the extension ID. Copy it. Now return to the Scenum tab. Go to the Extension tab. Choose a platform. Facebook. Here you can also choose which browser you have. In the browser ID field, enter the copied extension ID and simply refresh the page. As you can see, you have an extension here. Now you can add an account and add a script. Let's start with the script. Click Add Script and select the script that you previously created from the list. Now select Add an account and here enter the login and password from your Facebook account. As soon as you click Add, the system automatically starts working according to the script with your account. It logs into the system and then everything that we choose in the script will be done automatically. If you need to stop it, select Stop in the extension and the work with the extension will stop. In the Scenum tab, you can activate and deactivate the extension, add accounts and scripts. In such way, you can work with as many accounts as you need. In general, everything is quite simple and clear. Plus, it makes it possible to automate the entire process, and you won't spend a lot of time personally doing what Scenum can do. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click like. Bye.